The online resource I chose to enhance my lesson is Google's Jamboard feature. This is a whiteboard application that helps make lessons more interactive. I created an interactive activity related to our lesson on shape attributions. For this activity, each student will be able to move one shape into a category below. This activity helps reinforce students' understandings of the lesson and what classifies each shape. For example, there are hexagons, pentagons, triangles, squares, rectangles, and rhombi, as well as these unusual shapes. Each student will have the opportunity to take a shape and put it under the category they think it belongs. So we have quadrilaterals, which have 4 sides and 4 angles, more than 4 sides and 4 angles, less than 4 sides and 4 angles. So students will have to determine what the shape has and where it belongs.